Hey everybody, it's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to look at the Switchbot solar panels. The solar panels are used to charge up the Switchbot curtains. So let's take a look at them and set them up. So the Switchbot solar panels come in a pretty nice box. It's nicely packed. Let's open it up. So basically the Switchbot solar panel just collects energy from the sun, and you can plug it right to the back of the Switchbot curtain. It says on the side here you can just attach it to the fabric of your curtain, so it just hangs on the curtain and collects energy. And there's a Type C USB-C port, and once the direct sunlight hits, it charges up the battery. Alright, so let's open it up here. It's nicely packaged. It's kind of tight in there. Alright, so you got a user manual there on the top. Look at that solar panel. And this solar panel is nicely fit into the container. USB-C there that attaches right to the back of the Switchbot curtain. Comes with these little tabs that we'll figure out that we're going to be able to connect to the back of the Switchbot curtain. We'll take off the plastic and see what we got. As you can see, it's got 250 milliamp hours of charging. It's a nicely contained solar panel unit. Very cool. It's got a nice case. It's fairly light, really light and compact. You can see how they designed this to hang on the Switchbot curtain or on your curtain itself. The idea is that's supposed to continually charge your Switchbot curtain so you don't have to take it off and recharge it every time. The other thing about the Switchbot, it's got not a light, but actually a sensor to sense whether there's sunlight, and that will supposed to activate the Switchbot curtain to open and close based on how you set it up. We're going to try to peel off the back cover. So we got those two tabs on the left and right to open up the back. Just need to use a little bit of force and it'll open up on the side. You just peel it open. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. And then look at that. You've got the USB-C cable cinched around so it gives you enough slack so that when you have to hang it up on the Switchbot curtain, or if you need to get more light, then you need to hang it on the back of the curtain with the Velcro strips. You can now attach this solar panel to the fabric and then take your USB-C cable and attach it up to the Switchbot curtain. It's nicely packed in there. They did a really good job of hiding all this infrastructure inside the Switchbot solar panel. So I decided just to put it together so I can put the cover back on. And once you get that wound up, it can nicely fit back in, and you can put the back cover on in case you're able to get enough sunlight to attach it right to the back of the Switchbot curtain. So we just push those back in. Nice how it just fits nice and snug, and everything just fits right. That's some pretty good engineering there. Now that we've just unboxed the Switchbot solar panel, let's get it set up here. So you basically use those hook arms that are on the back of the solar panel, and you're going to find the hook arm slots that were used for the Switchbot curtain, and you need to get that located, so be safe as you get up on the ladder. I'm just going to show you a back view of the Switchbot curtain, and you can see the two slots underneath the existing hook arms. And so you're going to use the solar panel hook arms and slide it into those two slots. So you can just gently push down, don't pull your curtain rod down, but just gently push down on the Switchbot curtain, and you can slide those hook arms gently right into those slots. It might take a little bit of fiddling, but as you can see on the side view, it fits nicely under there. Then you hook this USB-C adapter into the back of the Switchbot curtain, I should say, and it should sit there nicely. So one of the things also you got to recognize is after you've installed that, you're going to find out that for some assemblies for your curtain, you may not get enough sunlight. You can see my curtain is higher, much higher than the windowsill or the frame of the window. So you may not get enough sunlight. So Switchbot gives you an option to lower your Switchbot solar panel to the middle of your curtain. You can see on the back of the Switchbot solar panel, they have marks to show you where the Velcro that we talked about can be installed. And another thing to note, when you're installing this Switchbot solar panel, one other thing to recognize is like when you do get your Switchbot solar panel, to put it in a location or a place that you know there's going to be a lot of sunlight, maybe for a day or two before you install the Switchbot solar panel. It may not have enough built-in charge in it to charge your Switchbot curtain. In order to adjust your Switchbot solar panel to a place where you're going to have a lot of light, you take off the back plate, and you'll notice inside, again, like the cables are there nicely tucked away. And so you would unhook those cables, and you'll notice that you'll probably have about 19 to 20 inches worth of cable that you can hang from the Switchbot robot curtain. So just put your back plate back on, extend out your cable, and it'll just snap into place. And you should be ready to now install. So you hook up the USB-C adapter to the back of the Switchbot robot curtain. You can see the length that it's going to give you, and you find your location where you think you're going to get the most sunlight, where you know you're going to have just enough slack for when the curtain moves. For a sunny locations, this is a great opportunity for you to just hang it down at the bottom, because you know you're going to get the sunlight you need. Well, look, this is the place where you install the Velcro. So they give you 3 pieces of Velcro to install on the back of the Switchbot solar panel. So just take those off, place them on. Just remember, you're going to need at least 5 hours for that adhesive to properly stick. And you're going to need 5 hours for the adhesive to stick Velcro for the curtain. So find your location on the back of the curtain as well. And then you basically put the Velcro there and you let it sit there for 5 hours as well for the adhesive to stick. Push on the Velcro from the Switchbot solar panel and it should stay there. So on a sunny day, that Switchbot solar panel is going to get you all the charge that you need. So you can install the solar panel up on the Switchbot curtain, or you can hang it down and put it on the back of the curtain as well. Take a look at how we set up the Switchbot curtain.